episode of Mommy SeaStar. Today we're going to have a violin lesson and we're going to study basic rhythms while we're playing on A string some more. Let's get tuned up. So, the most common time signature that we have in music is called common time. And common time is marked with a C, C for common, at the beginning of the piece of music. So it will be a C, and common time is 4 quarter notes per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So it's 4 beats, we call them, per measure. The beat is the pulse of the music. When something's alive, it has a pulse. You can feel in your wrist, there's a pulse there. The music has a pulse too. And in common time, we group those pulses, those beats, into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have a bar line. And we usually have the strongest beat, we call it the downbeat, the first of every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1 and 3 are the stronger beats. 4 leads into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And this is how a conductor conducts it, more or less. 3, 4. Quarter notes are the notes with just a black head and a line. If you look on your note page for this lesson, which I will include on my website at DanielleRosariaViolinist.wordpress.com, right here, you will see the quarter note is a black head with a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and every quarter note gets 1 beat like that. Now a half note is long. It's twice as long as a quarter note. It gets 2 beats. Bum, bum. And let me play the quarter notes. Let me play you some quarter notes and some half notes. These are quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are halves. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can hear how much longer the half notes are. 2 beats, 2 pulses per half note. A half note is a white head with a black stem. The quarter note is the black head with the stem, and the half note is the white head with the stem. A whole note is just a note head like this, with no stem at all. And that one, in common time, that one gets 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the piece we're going to begin to study is called Landing on Planet X. It's a continuation from the last piece that we learned. And it starts off with all quarter notes, then half notes, then whole notes, and then the final line has quarters, halves, and then 1 whole. So I will play this piece for you. 1, 2, 3. And notice I did my best to keep a very steady beat throughout. And that's what you want to do to make sure that your rhythm stays very nice and steady throughout, unless otherwise marked by the composer. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our lesson today. And if you study this, you'll have a really good basic concept of rhythm and how we notate it. So go over this lesson a few times so you can really grasp rhythmic notation and start to practice how to play it.